The hobby of woodworking wasn't exactly a hobby decades ago. Back then, older generations made what they needed for their homes. While it's true that they did this out of necessity, the projects they created were beautiful and long-lasting. They were passed down through the years, and many of those items are now considered valuable antiques. As life got busier, it became easier for families to simply purchase any kind of wooden furniture or other wood gadget that they needed. Many of these mass-produced items are not well made, and they certainly don't hold the same meaningful legacy. Woodworking is more than a hobby, it's a way of life. The skills discovered through woodworking can be used to surround yourself and others with one-of-a-kind pieces, sometimes for very little money. Let's hear it for today's woodworkers.